This is the video for the main program of the Chuck-a-Luck game. I'm going to go to Program. Here I've highlighted in green all the instructions of the main program. The first one says branch if equal the task to 0, go to AA. Well, when the program starts, task will be 0, so we will have to initialize the data. Otherwise, it drops down here, takes the absolute value of game number and puts it in game number, in case somebody hit the minus key when they entered the game number. And the next line says branch if equal the game number to the was game number. Well, if the game has changed, they won't be equal, so it won't go to AC, and then it'll be at AA where it initializes the game. Well, the first thing it does is make the was game number equal to the game number, so it won't come here again during the game, and sets task to 1, so it won't branch here from there. And then it uses the action stat to set up the sequence of notes to be put in the blue note box. Then it does a call to routine 100 to build the value list and set the constants. Well, the next cycle it goes around is going to go here to AC because it's the same game. It's going to set the note to be put in the blue note box to note number 1. And then these next two lines have to do with it displaying the YouTube list that you can do. We're not going to go into that part. We're going to go on to the part about the game. It calls routine 101 to do another 216 random outcomes each cycle until 4,320 are done. That is actually 20 cycles. It's going to go around 20 times before this is done. The next one, called routine 102, display the count totals for all the 216 outcomes. Next, it's going to go to routine 103 and display the outcome totals for each of the 6 values. That's the values of the dice. Well, then it sets the font to bold 24 points, the color to a dark red, the X and Y values to 1525, and then it's going to put the text of game number on the screen. Then it's going to up the value of X by 20, move to the right, and set up a box for the number of the game number, and it's clickable. And it's click number 4. Then it exits. So that's the main program of the Chuck-a-Luck game.